Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Thank you so very much for joining me for the Joy of Blue collab. This month I opened up a kit that Melody Maid sent me that was just full of scrumptious blue. Look at that butterfly napkin. And I had this sitting and I thought, I want to play with this today. Look at this sheer fabric. I laid all this stuff out and didn't have a plan, just laid it out so that I could see it and be inspired by it. And then I ended up having to move it at one point, but it still allowed me to take a look and just see. So if you're stuck on something, just lay out a bunch of stuff that makes you happy. Any color, any patterns, whatever it is that makes you happy, and see where the day takes you. And this is where the day took me. So here is my completed page for Joy of Blue, and a glue book focuses more on gluing items in and just freeing yourself and not really being stumped by your mixed media products, just grabbing things you like and gluing them down. And that's what I've done here. I have a process video that will come out in a day or so, a couple days later this week. So you can look at it if you want and hear my thoughts about why I use certain things or what I put together. For the most part, this is from the kit that Melody Maid sent me. I added the joy, that's my word for it, and I added the blue cheesecloth, and this was from something that I made with distress oxides a while ago. But other than that, I think it all came from her, all this blue goodness. And I thought about taking a pen and edging it or bordering, but I just love the fact that on this project, maybe sometimes I will do that, but on this project, my pages are rough down here, and I have so many, I would call them unkempt edges and messy things. And in this, I did some experimenting with my napkins. I didn't want them flat and smooth as if I was making a card. So I have them ruffled and gathered, and same with my cheesecloth. Even on this one, these may flatten over time, and that's okay. I have a page back here. This one, it flattened over time. That's okay. I'm still just experimenting and having fun with all that different texture. I hope that this inspires you to get out something in a color that makes you happy and just create. Don't think about the end product. Don't worry about if the person's gonna like it. Make it for you. Check out the other collaborators in Joy of Blue. All of the links are down below. Some are on YouTube, and you'll find some on Instagram. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch our collaboration. And I hope that you really, really find some inspiration in this. Maybe blue lips don't make you super, super happy. Maybe yours will be pink, red, purple, yellow, whatever. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.